What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Market up or market down. The market was down today. We'll check the brokerage. Nothing happened. We're still holding on to this one here. Made a little profits today, but we're still pretty stuck. So just kind of hanging out there. What's the trading plan? What do we do now? First thing, we got to check reverse snowball. Obviously, we only have one position. So let's just see if NUS is under the 30 RSI on the daily chart. And it is not. Looking good, about ready to lock in another dividend. It's not the optimal result, but it does keep cash flow coming into the account, and that's what gets the compounding going. So next step is the screener, right? So let's see if there's anything on the screener. The stock market is down today, and we'll go from there. I haven't really been checking today, so I don't really know. Let me know if I forget anything. Eventually, I may just save this thing. But I know when people are new to the videos, they don't really know what's on the screener, so that's why I do this. I understand that takes longer. I just want everybody to have equal odds, and look, we have nothing. So there's nothing down here. So let's do a little quick big picture. When you look at the stock market, we had a down day today, but when you look at the overall market, the S&P 500, we're at all-time highs here, and even though we were down today, we're still very extended. So don't be disappointed. Your mindset is very important here. Do not be disappointed. Think of it as the system protecting you from buying at the top. Market's up. So there will be opportunity. Keep your patience about you. If you're new to the stock market, now's a great time to turn it off. Leave a like on your way out if you would. Make sure you subscribe if you're new here. And for the rest of the bag holders, we're going to head right into the main account. I believe it was kind of a slow day as well. I've been doing some funny stuff with penny type stocks, just testing something out, but we will not be going over that kind of stuff here. So if I slip and talk about it, that's kind of what's going on in the background. First things first, we have OCSL. Just getting our spreadsheet up to date. And also for the public account, just keep in mind that we're not missing out because we have the investing side of things, right? What is this? This was a swing trade. This is a swing trade. Why is there a silver? A little busy at work, so just trying to make it happen. All right. Looks like we have several entry points in here. So it was 3 flips and then a swing. That's why. So it's over here, and it is. Look at that. Okay. Just got to get the spreadsheet up to date, and then we'll head on our merry way. Alright, let's see if that looks about right. Yeah, it's about right. Okay. Next thing on the agenda. We tried to get out on American Eagle in the pre-market. It was up 8%, but couldn't quite do it. From the video on Friday, too, we had OLN, so that failed as well. Market was down. Was accumulating shares. Yeah. Okay. This one is on the swing side. There it is. All right, let's see what we've got going on here. I'm just going to go through them all just to make sure that I've got everything correct. Just adding up the purchase prices. And we're getting quite a hefty position here, but you can see it looks pretty strong. So math becomes our advantage. You do have to have rules in place. The reason I look for these entries is because it's not a bravery test. Usually if you just keep going in and in and in, you're just going to dump more and more money, and it's going to get worse and worse, not better and better. Did buy some Pepsi and some Marathon today. Just war on inflation type stuff. And that's all we got. Checking the brokerage. No cash. So that's the end of the video for me. We can do a quick scroll and see if there's anything that we need to sell. We did have some that were close. Here we'll do a quick little bit here on American Eagle. I did have some alerts today to trigger maybe some potential options plays. Here you can see we're retesting here, but RSI is really not banging. We're above the 200. This is a resistance area, but we'll see if we can play it like the doors and break on through to the other side. You know what I mean? So next one up, that's kind of up, is CRC. Let's just take a look around the horn. It's up pretty good, 4%. We've got the little D coming, and again, we're in this zone, but the RSI is really not high enough for me. I like to see it bang in the 35, I do. This one looks like multiple lots, so we'll check it even though it's not up that much. Sometimes when you cover, this is freaking 200 right here, this golden line, that's a thing. But looks like we're just stuck in purgatory here as well. We're in profits, so I guess we're never really stuck, but if you cut the winners too soon every time, you'll never make any money, is the thing. This one doesn't look too bad. Still not at the 65. Looks like it could have another good day. Everything's getting ready to break the 200. So we'll let it squeeze on out, but that looks like a good gainer. SM. We're in profits on most of our stuff. The swing trade timing was perfect. You know, I couldn't ask for any better. Pretty good profits there, even though it may not look like it on the screen. And that's it. Yeah, so we'll just call it here. Nice short video. Thank you all for watching. Leave a like and subscribe on your way out. Sure do appreciate that. We are doing big things, and we're going at it, but there's not a whole lot you can force. We're at a weird time in the markets, and what you can expect is either a crazy breakout or my thoughts more likely at kind of coming down just a little bit. And then how far it goes before it stops kind of lets you know what the next part of the move is. But nobody knows what's going on in the stock market. We just do our best guesses. But the rules-based system I try to show folks here will keep you out of trouble in all ways, as it did today. So thanks for watching again. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor, but I'm here on Twitch. And if you got questions, I can just feed you a little out of my own experience. But I can't tell you what to do. You got to figure that out for yourself. So thanks again for watching. And we'll hang around here a little on Twitch. If you got questions, go ahead and type them in the chat. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.